the Victoria Square in the city center of Belfast. Just walking around city center of Belfast City. Looking around, walking around. Let's go inside the Victoria Square. We are in the upper ground level. Most of the shops already closed because it's 7 p.m. already in the evening.